Good afternoon, dear friends. Students, in this session, we will discuss some question regarding the lesson proposal. Through the video class, we have completed the explanation, the summary, introduction very well. Now some questions which I have written on the board are somewhat very important for the upcoming exam. So let us come to understand these questions one by one. What for does Lomo go to Chubukov's house? Are you getting the question? What for means for what reason Lomo go to Chubukov's house? It is very clear. To propose Natalia. Next, how does he go and behave? He goes in evening gown. He behaves politely with Chubukov. How does Chubukov react? Chubukov also seems to be happy looking Lomo. He said so many gracious words for Lomo, like morning star, dear, love, like that word he uses. The same question can be given in this form. Why did Lomo visit Chubukov? Was it a successful visit? लोमो चुबुकोव से क्यों मिला? क्या यह एक सफल मुलाकात रही? Please think about this question and try to answer this. Lomo goes to Chubukov's house to propose Natalia. He is in his evening dress. Clear? And has white gloves. Chubukov receives him warmly. Chubukov receives Lomo warmly. With great enthusiasm. It is because Lomo is the most suitable son-in-law for Chubukov's daughter Natalia. So, Chubukov shows his extreme love and joy at his coming to his house. He calls him my angel. I have told you previously that he used lots of warming word. My angel, my treasure, my precious. However, before it, Chubukov thinks that Lomo has come for borrowing money. It is when the Lomo praises Chubukov and his family. What Chubukov thinks that time? He thinks that he won't give him any. He won't give him money. Chubukov asks him to speak the purpose, to tell the reason. He then says that, Lomov then says that he has come to ask for Natalia's hand. For Natalia's hand. Chubukov is extremely pleased to hear this. He embraces, he hugs Lomov and kisses him. This is a successful visit. Was it a successful visit? Yes, this was a successful visit. In this way you can answer this question. Very important question for the exam. Let us come to understand one more question that is also having the same importance like the previous one. Describe the arguments between Lomov and Natalia and Chubukov over the ownership of ox and meadows. It was a big dispute among them. The same question can be asked in this way. Neighbors must have cordial relationship. पड़ोसियों में एक अच्छा संबंध होना चाहिए. Which Lomov and Natalia do not have, जो कि Lomov और Natalia दोनों में नहीं है. दोनों एक दूसरे के ऊपर आरोप प्रत्यारोप कर रहे हैं. Describe the first fight between them. The first fight between them was the Aksan village. So we have to describe this in this question. Let us come. Firstly, try to understand the question and its answer in our local language. Describe the argument between लोगों. अब कैसे हम इस उत्तर की शुरुआत करेंगे? ये लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन है, तो आपने पहले से ही ये जान लिया कि लोमोव किस पर्पज के लिए आया हुआ है? प्रपोजल के लिए आया हुआ है. कौन सा प्रपोजल है? शादी का प्रपोजल है. तो नतालिया के सामने शादी का प्रस्ताव रखने में लोमोव काफी घबराया हुआ है. आया तो शादी का प्रस्ताव करने के लिए है, लेकिन वो ये बात कह नहीं पाता है, दूसरे बातों की तरफ डाइवर्ट हो जाता है. इसलिए शादी के प्रस्ताव रखने की बजाय वह इधर उधर की बातें करना आरंभ कर देता है. वह कहता है कि उनकी ऑक्सन मीडोज नतालिया के बर्च वृक्षों के जंगल के साथ लगी हुई है, सटी हुई है. इससे उसके और नतालिया के बीच बहस उत्पन्न हो जाती है. नतालिया बोलती है कि नहीं, वो ऑक्सन मीडोज तो मेरी है. नतालिया कहती है कि वो ऑक्सन मीडोज जिसकी लोमोव बात कर रहा है वो लोमोव की नहीं बल्कि नतालिया की है. परंतु लोमोव ये कहता है कि ऑक्सन मीडोज अब उसके हिस्से में है, अब उसके अधिकार में है. उसकी चाची की दादी ने उन्हें नतालिया के पिता के दादा के किसानों को मुफ्त में कुछ समय के लिए यूज करने के लिए दिया था, और किसानों ने उनका लंबे समय तक उपयोग करने के बाद उन्हें अपना मानना शुरू कर दिया. अब इस बात से नतालिया अपने फैमिली को नीचा महसूस करते हुए आलोचना करने लगती है, और वह कहती है कि उसके पास ये जमीनें लगभग 300 सालों से हैं. यद्यपि उनकी कीमत नतालिया के लिए 300 रूबल से अधिक नहीं है, फिर भी वो बेईमानी पसंद नहीं करना पसंद करेंगे. दोनों अपने तर्कों पर स्थिर रहते हैं और शब्दों के द्वारा एक दूसरे पर आरोप प्रत्यारोप करते हैं. इस तरह से हम इसका उत्तर दे सकते हैं. तो लेट अस सिंथेसाइज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. लोमोव इज वेरी नर्वस. लोमोव इज वेरी नर्वस टू प्रपोज टू नतालिया. So instead of proposing, he starts talking this way or that way. He says his oxen meadows touch Natalia's birchwood This starts the argument between Natalia and Lomo. Natalia says that oxen meadows are not Lomos. They are Natalia's. But Lomo says that oxen meadows are his now. His aunt's grandmother gave their free use to the peasants. Peasants means farmers of Natalia's father's grandfather. The peasants used them for 40 years and they used the land freely without any cost paying, but they regarded treating them their own. It was their part. But Natalia objects to it. Natalia is not ready to digest this. She replies that the oxen meadows have had them for nearly 300 years, though they are worth 300 rubles. Both stick to their arguments and fight verbally. Next question: how do Lomo and Natalia get into controversy at the time of their marriage proposal? मैरिज प्रपोजल के साथ के समय नतालिया और लोमो कैसे एक दूसरे से झगड़ा कर बैठते हैं। तो लोमो हैज कम टू Natalia's house to propose to Natalia. He is hesitant to propose before Natalia and indulges in verbal fights with her. Natalia waits for him to propose, but both hold the ground to downgrade the others. दोनों एक दूसरे पर दोष प्रत्यारोप लगाना शुरू कर देते हैं, एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं. फर्स्ट दे फाइट ओवर द ओनरशिप ऑफ द oxen meadows. Both accuse, both blame each other of various faults and weakness of their family relation. Then they fight over the superiority of their dogs. Lomo calls his dog Guess is the best, but Natalia says that Guess is not pure breed, it is hybrid. Squeezer is the best. Squeezer is superior to Guess. Natalia says like that. Lomo says that Chubuko mother was humpbacked. Humpbacked Kubar. Chubukov says that Lomo's father was a gambler. Then both call each other intriguer, pup, rat, etc. When Natalia learns that Lomo came to propose, when Natalia knows that Lomo has come to propose, she asks Chubuko to bring him in at once. The next question. The proposal is a great comedy and full of great humor. Important question. The proposal is a great comedy. The proposal is a comedy and full of humor. Full of humor. explain the statement. Explain the statement. प्रपोजल नामक कहानी एक कॉमेडी है और मनोरंजन से भरपूर है। इस कथन की पुष्टि कीजिए। तो प्रपोजल वास्तव में एक महान कॉमेडी है। यह अत्यधिक हास्य से भरी हुई है। यह कहानी लोमोव, नताल्या और उसके पिता चुबुकोव के बेहुदा व्यवहार से शुरू होती है। लोमोव नताल्या के घर शादी का प्रस्ताव लेकर आता है। वह ऑक्सेन मीडोज के अपने होने के बारे में बात करता है। लोमोव कहता है कि वे ऑक्सेन मीडोज उसकी अपनी है, परंतु नताल्या कहती है कि वे लोमोव की नहीं बल्कि उनकी है। तर्क काफी हास्यास्पद है। वे एक दूसरे पर दोष आरोप लगाना शुरू करते हैं। लोमोव कहता है कि सुबुकोव की मां कुबड़ी है। सुबुकोव कहता है कि लोमोव का पिता जुआरी था, गैम्बलर था। उसकी छोटी चाची एक आर्किटेक्ट के साथ भाग गई थी। इस तरह से एक दूसरे के ऊपर वे आरोप प्रत्यारोप करते हुए एक दूसरे को षड्यंत्रकारी, पिल्ला, चूहा आदि शब्द तक कह देते हैं। तो ये सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी हास्यास्पद हैं। जब सुबुकोव नताल्या को किस करने के लिए कहता है तो लोमोव पूछता है किसको किस करने के लिए आप कह रहे हैं। इस तरह से ये सारी चीज़ें एक उत्तम हास्य के रूप में परिलक्षित होती हैं। तो लेट अस कम टू organize a good answer for this question. The proposal is really a great comedy. You can write, the proposal is really a great comedy. It is full of humor. This is caused by the foolish behavior. This humor is caused by the foolish behavior of Lomov, Natalia and her father Chubukov. Lomov comes to Natalia's house to propose. He talks of the Oxen Meadows and he tells that Oxen Meadows are their own. Lomov says that they are his, but Natalia says that they are theirs. The argument is highly comical. They start accusing each other. Lomov says Chubukov's mother was a humpbacked. Chubukov says Lomov's father was a gambler. His younger aunt ran away with an architect. They call each other intriguer, pup, old rat, etc. These are really highly and humorous. When Chubukov asks Lomov to kiss, Lomov asks, kiss whom? This is again a high humor. In this way, you can write the answer of this question. These are some very long answer type questions which are very essential for the good preparation of this lesson. Okay, thank you all.